Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to a new video. It's been a while since I made a video. I was kind of busy with work and a couple of things. But today's Sunday and it's total lockdown in Suriname, so I'm free to make a video for you guys. So I'm also painting my wheels, as you can see in the title, DIY painting my car wheels. So I'm gonna paint my car wheels with spray can. I'm gonna paint it white just to see how it looks. I hope it's gonna look better than what the wheels look like now. And before we start today's video, I want to thank you for the 225 subscribers. And for those of you that are new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and support your boy. I'm looking to get 500 subscribers soon, guys, so if you could share this on your Facebook, that would be great. And let's not talk too much and get right in today's video. I'm gonna show you the wheels and the spray can that I'm gonna use. Welcome back guys. So as you can see, I removed a wheel of the car already. These are 17-inch scope wheels, and I'm gonna use this Finame spray can gloss white 40. And I also went and got some sandpaper a couple of days before. So what I'm gonna do next is sand down this area of the wheels so that it will be smooth to paint it. It has to be smooth before you paint it to get a perfect finish. So I got 150 grit, as you can see, sandpaper. I got 250 grit and 400 and 160. There it is guys, I'm done with the wheels. I'm done sanding the wheels. As you can see, I did want to polish the lip, but it has damages, like light damages. That's why I didn't polish it. I'm gonna paint it. Let me show you the back real quick. So I'm gonna put it in the sun to let it dry, and then I'm gonna wipe it off, put some tape around the tires, and then I'm gonna spray paint it. Let me do that and I am gonna be with you in a bit. So I'm gonna paint the center cap real quick. So I said I would paint around the wheels, but I had some old clothes, so I put it around the wheels, as you can see. So now I'm gonna paint the wheels. here it is, guys. This is just one coat of paint. I think I'm gonna give it one more coat. Okay guys, second coat. So that's it, guys. Look at the wheels. Let me show you the back. So I'm gonna do the rest of the wheels and then I'm gonna show you the result on the car. I'm gonna put all the wheels on the car and then I'm gonna show you. So see you in a bit. Welcome back, guys. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and also comment down below what you think about the color on the wheels, the color that I painted the wheels. Don't forget to share also. Don't forget to subscribe, hit your post notification on so you won't miss any of my video. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video. Peace.